Hi, my name's Derek Moffett. I'm a product manager here at MUTOH America, and today we'll be using our XpertJet 661UF to create one of the most popular applications in the print industry right now. Before we start, let me give you more background on this printer. Again, this is the XpertJet 661UF. It's our UV LED flatbed printer. The 661 allows you for layered printing to create finely textured prints and ADA compliant braille, which instantly adds value to your business. I could go on and on about this printer's many capabilities, but let's get on to today's print project. Today, I'll be demonstrating on how to print on a glass beer pint without actually having to print on the glass itself. You see, it can get tricky whenever there's a handle involved. We'll do this by printing on a DTF film that's made by STS Inks, and then transferring that print onto the glass. To get started, you'll need your glass, the transfer film, isopropyl alcohol, and of course your MUTOH XpertJet 661UF printer. Now we can start printing. I have the file already set up in Vertilith, that's MUTOH's RIP software. So now I'll just place the film in the spot that I want and submit this to print. Once it starts printing, it'll only take about 2 minutes to print what we need today. Just be sure to keep the top layer of the film intact until it's time to start printing, just to help reduce any chances of dust contamination. Now that this is printed, we're going to cut them apart and prepare our pints for the print transfer. To prep the glass, you want to make sure it's really clean. We're going to clean this with isopropyl alcohol and make sure that there's absolutely no debris or fingerprints on there. Now I'm going to apply the B transfer film onto this print. This is going to pull up the ink and the adhesive off of this material so we can apply it to our pint. And when you do this, I would recommend kind of folding it down the center so you can eliminate any chances of it creasing on itself. And now we press this in here, just a little squeegee. And we'll cut them out with a handy razor blade. All right, now that the glass is prepped, we're ready to apply our transfer. When you apply the transfer to the pint, you're going to want to make sure that you mark the pint where you want it before you do that, because this is quite permanent. So wherever you stick it is where it's going to be. Once it's on there, you're going to want to press it down in and make sure that you have all the air bubbles out and things like that. Once it's on there, we're going to peel the transfer sheet back off of it, leaving just the ink behind. And any residue that ends up on the glass, you can easily take it off with some isopropyl alcohol. And that's all there is to it. Now you have yet another item that you can add to your business and that your customers will love. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like and a comment telling us what other applications you'd like to see on the 661. Cheers.